Hey everybody, Married Man here. Welcome to episode 1 of Woodworking Videos on YouTube, where we talk about videos of creators that are not superstars yet, but that will be someday. This is a new series of videos. We find the best videos so you don't have to. Let me know in the comments if you like this idea, or feel free to email me at marriedmanwoodworking@gmail.com with suggestions and nominations. Nominations, you say? Yes, because we will have categories each episode and identify some great content that you may have missed. We'll also highlight a channel each week and suggest you go subscribe to that channel. Speaking of subscribing, please consider subscribing to this channel, Married Man Woodworking. Let's get started. This is our Reddit post of the week, brought to us from Farm Mold, or is it Farm Mold? I'm not sure. This is held together by friction. There's no screws and there's no glue. It's truly an elegant piece. I think it's just outstanding. Have you made any pieces of furniture that are held together without screws or glue? If so, let me know in the comments. I really like how the legs come up through the bottom of the table and then a single beam across the ends holds it all together. I really like that. Let's move on. Our woodworking techniques video of the week is brought to us by Mike over at Woodcraft 716. He produced this video on adjustable feet. It's just amazing to me how many projects would benefit from adjustable feet. Other than tables, where could you use adjustable feet? What kind of projects? Let me know in the comments. Go check out Mike's video. It'll help you out. And while you're there, subscribe. He puts out a great deal of great content. Thanks, Mike. Let's move on. This is our Facebook post of the week. Look at these beautiful chairs. I've not made any outdoor furniture except the deck bench I posted last week. Let me know if you've got much experience building furniture like this, how well it holds up in the weather, and how you treat it to maintain it. Anyway, this is a great piece. Let's move on. Our tool review video of the week is on this Festool HEPA dust extractor. Man, what a video. I had seen these advertised, but I've never seen the features like they're laid out here. He really did a great job. I'm not sure the tool justifies the price, but I'm glad I checked it out, and I believe you will be too. This Mason Woodshop channel is killing it with over 25 videos released in about a month. This channel is going to grow quick. Check out this video, and I think you'll want to check out his other content. Let's move on. Here's our tweet of the week over on Twitter. It's actually a 3-part tweet. This person at South Minneapolis Woodworking got himself a vintage Shopmaster tool, a 6-inch joiner. This needed some love and care to get that working again. Let's see what he did with it. Oh, he made us a checklist. He cleaned it, replaced the knives, refreshed the bearing grease, set the outfeed table height, set the joiner knife height, the feed table height, then he reassembled, and the fence was leveled and set at 90 degrees. I wonder if this runs now. Let's move on to our woodworking shop video of the week. John over at Lincoln Street Woodworks gives us some tips for a small workshop. He lays out some tips and tricks on how to maximize space in the workshop. He uses his experience and his humor to lay it down so we can pick it up. This goes beyond just getting organized. His channel's growing fast, and he's a future superstar, so check it out. You're going to want to subscribe to this channel. The link is in the description below. Let's move on to our cool tool video of the week. Josh at Graf Woodshop gives us a quick demo of the FastCap Zero Clearance Tape. Check it out. I think you're going to like this tape, the way it works. I also think you're going to like the Graf Woodshop and their channel. I believe that channel is going to be growing at an exponential rate. Get over there, check out these videos, and subscribe. Let's move on to our home project video of the week with Klassen Woodworks. What's he working on today? Well, in this video, he's doing shiplap on that wall. Look at those angles behind him as the wall goes up. And look how many obstacles he has. He has the window, he has the light fixtures, he has the toilet, he's got the pipes where it looks like he's probably going to put in some sinks. He goes over the entire process, how to get the angles right, how to get it to fit right. He does a great job. He's got some other great content on his channel. How to do a spice rack, how to build a double vanity, how to build a simple bat house. Some great content. Get over there and check it out. Now let's get to our project video of the week. This is a fireside table by Chore Hunter. Now, Chore Hunter puts out some videos where he makes some awesome stuff, mainly for outdoor living, but he uses some of the most interesting techniques that I've seen for his woodworking. Specifically, look at the way he clamps this piece, where he uses tie-down straps as clamps. He makes this table end up looking fantastic. Let's go take a look at it. There it is. It's a live edge side table for outside, and I think it looks great. Go check out his channel, and specifically this video. He doesn't have very many subscribers, so consider subscribing to him. Let's move on. This is our highlighted channel of the week. That's right, it's a cross between a Basset Hound and a Labrador Retriever. That's right, it's the Bassador Woodworking. I really like this channel. He's released about 35 videos in less than 3 months. He's got videos on bandsaw boxes, plywood dead blow hammers, table saw safety, table saw accessories, a $54 miter saw, and I think you should consider subscribing to him. Go check out his channel, see if it's something you would like. Make up your mind if you can support Bassador and what he's trying to do over there. I think he's putting out some great content. I'll let you move on. This is Married Man Woodworking, and I'm working on my next video, which will be on Lazy Susans, and I'll be working on a sequel to this video, episode number 2. Please email me or give me a comment below with any suggestions. Thanks for watching. Oops, I hear my wife calling. I gotta go.